To transfer a car title in Illinois, start by filling out the Application for Vehicle Transactions form, also called VSD 190. You can fill it online using the ERT system and print it, or you can get it in person from a Secretary of State facility. If you're keeping your license plates, check the box for Title and Transfer. If not, just select Transfer. The fee is $25 for transferring plates or $190 if you're transferring both title and plates. Make sure to include the correct vehicle details, plate number, and a copy of your latest registration card. If the previous car had multiple owners, but the new one will have just one, the other owners need to submit an affirmation of correction form, confirming they're giving up their interest in the plates. When a vehicle owner passes away, or if the car is owned by a business that changes names or merges, special rules apply. In those cases, the title process may involve extra forms depending on the situation. Keep in mind, plates belong to the owner, not the car. You can only transfer your plates to a vehicle you personally own. Once you have everything ready, you can mail the paperwork or visit a nearby Secretary of State office to finish the title transfer.